Reggie Curtis, flat rate mechanic here. Just wanted to do a quick walk around of the shop while I was here today and no one's here. We have state-of-the-art facility here. We're one of the most renowned shops in the Seacoast area in the Northeast. We actually just had our office redone. Looks more like a bank. Everybody's set up with 2 monitors. We got invoicing and scheduling. They can look at them all at the same time. Makes things flow a little easier. Pretty state-of-the-art phone system. We got messaging and all that stuff. Go out into the shop here. All our oils straight out of the roof. Our fluids, washer fluid, transmission fluid, coolant, grease, all comes right out of the ceiling, which is nice and convenient. Our equipment room and fluid room back here. We use a lot of synthetic oils too, so we got those on tap. There's another equipment room back here. We got our Lincoln welder, we got the plasma cutter, we got the torches, sandblasting machine here. We definitely get a lot of use out of that, especially being New England. All the caliper brackets rust up pretty good, so we just throw them in there and give them a quick blast. We got some metal fabricating work here. Chop saw, press, parts washer. This thing's pretty slick. You can stick your part in there and hit go, and does all the work for you. Tire balancer, state-of-the-art, automatic, hands-free tire machine by Hunter. This thing is pretty slick. Touch screen display. Does up to a 35-inch wheel. Does run flats, all those hard-to-handle tires. It does them seamlessly with no effort. We got another balancer up here. This is a Hunter Road Force Technology balancer. Again, touchscreen, state-of-the-art. Another tire machine. Bring it back here to our scan tools. We pretty much have all makes and models covered with the factory software of Wyotech 2.0. We got GM, we got Ford, we got Toyota, and then we have some of the older handheld tools. We got the Chrysler DRB, Chrysler StarScan, MasterTech, Tech 2, GDS, programming software, G-Scan for Asian and European. We got the BOM tool down there for BMW European, BMW GTI. You name it, we probably have it. We can do service programming on just about anything. We have a fleet of shuttle vehicles and loaner vehicles for customers. State-of-the-art lighting all throughout, mostly LEDs all up above. Waste oil furnace, air conditioning in the summer, so it stays nice and comfortable in here. We got automatic bay doors. Everybody's got a clicker. You just hit the clicker. And we'll keep it all clean with hoses in every bay. Everything gets washed down, drained into the sump, into a holding container that gets emptied. Got the Hawkeye laser aligner by Hunter as well. It's a nice piece of equipment. You can set up an alignment in 10 minutes, sometimes less. But pretty nice place to work. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll be sure to answer them. And if there's any repair videos or repair questions, just leave them in the comments, and I will either answer them or make a video on them if you want. So thanks again from Flat Rate Mechanic. We'll be signing off.